Yo, that game's over?
Yeah.
Who won it?
Yeah.
What's up?
Right. I watch you lose.
No, I lost on purpose. Fucking guys. I want to please the crowd. Every time I go for a crowd pleaser.
Do like this. I don't understand why Blues gotta make fucking crowd pleasers.
Niggas are fucking booing on me.
Nobody's booing on you,
Coming in my way.
We want to watch the game.
You're coming in my way like 3-4 times.
You're a fucking girl, man.
Right. Do it on purpose.
You're a fucking baby, yo.
Right. Hope you guys are happy. I lost.
What are you talking about, man? Nobody's saying that. This guy is incredible, bro.
Well, it's like, if I was to win, you would give Jeff 10,000 tips how to beat me.
Yo, I can't root for it.
That's the underdog, man.
That's the one Johnny got. From,
Underdog and the underdog.
Listen, Blues is tight because you went in there thinking it was going to be an easy game.
No.
Got fucked up.
I could have easily finished that game like 10 points ago.
He lost.
That's it. You lost.
I was training Jeff. Do you not see what's happening?
Yo, Ruben.
I would believe that. He was training him. Don't act like you was playing 100%.
I was hitting the back. I wanted him to put it away.
You know? I thought you was going to win that when you came back up.
See, great sportsmanship would be like,
Yeah,
Jeff. Way to go, Jeff. That's good, Jeff. You're a young man. I get it. Instead you fucking
we don't have one argument. You guys are the reason we're arguing. Get out of the way. You have so many spaces. Stand on the fucking side. You want to come right in the
This
court.
motherfucker, bro, you know what he goes to hold it on there?
Bro, I had to move back onto the court.
At the gate like this, watching the line.
Bro, this nigga serves over here, right? One of y'all's gonna get that just from back here, by the gate, where they're standing.
Bro, I thought the ball was going out.
Bro, I would've got it. What, you want me to fly into you guys? That would be stupid.
That's why you caught it.
I just called block. And he had the cigarette in my face. What? No, the cigarette was in my face. When I'm running for the ball, that shit is in my face. You know what I mean? Right. That's all he does all day. Just talk shit. It's always the ones that can't play good that talk shit.
Probably 7-8.
The guy behind you.
I won't say, nigga, I don't talk shit.
The guy that's never beaten me always has something to say about my game.
Talking shit to the world right now.
I'm about my life, nigga. I'm about shit.
Run the guy that's never beaten me has always something to say against me.
Who are you talking to? I gotta move the camera, I'll do it, bro. Let's get a game.
Just like this, like you fucking work out.
On the gate.
Training him, bro. It's all training, dude. I didn't even hit it down. Watch the game. Watch it on camera.
I'll say I go back to my way to
I'm gonna try to do some shit like that too.
Hell yeah.
The niggas really gonna have a ball, nigga.
Yeah. I was supposed to play you that game. You punked out. You went over there, reserved the court.
I'm sorry, bro. I've been playing since 1 o'clock. My bad that you want to come in that fucking ball and talk about singles. What's up? Who just saw it because you lost to Jeff? Me and Blue were out late last night. I got home at like 10.
I'm walking on the block and then 10 a.m.
Yo, Johnny, that was you texting bro at 4 in the morning?
He was in your head. He was looking for you.
Spend $50. You get 4 hours. You get the fucking girl unlimited. It's 4 hours. That's a tell. Get up there right away. Never. Yeah, this is the first time.
Yo, bro, I thought Tully's were like called like motels. I always thought Tully was motels. That's how you're confused. Don't worry, I got you.
So tell you that the motels are a little decent. The hotels.
Now I learned something new.
Like you did a crime, nigga. You better go there real quick. Why do you think they call it?
Stop that ball, Johnny. Johnny, stop that ball.
That shit happened to me one time. I thought somebody was knocking on the door. It was like 2 doors away. The niggas just gonna go there. Yeah, but Holiday Inn is expensive. Yes, but they still give you cheap breakfast one time.
Lock shop.
Some of them give you Oh shit! Yo, make a gif out of that one, bro. We need a gif out of that one.
He actually looked like a handball player.
You gonna be alright after that one? Taco? Taco, turn his name to Fall. Just like your name is not Blue no more, your name is Lightbeard. What? You don't even have a name. Like a girl. Yeah, exactly. Champion. Yeah. Couldn't think of anything original. Yeah? That original hat that you got on? You get that, bro. Backyard. I made it.
Wow, Jerry, good cover, Jerry.
That's my boy. That's my boy Peter. You know Peter? He actually played against me. He was pretty good. I had to shut it down though, yo. He sent some shit on me. Yo, go get your shit. We'll do it right there. Look. You don't even know what he's doing. Yeah. Oh, you do right now? Oh, yeah. There's a barber shop. Yeah. Please, give this nigga a fucking hairline, please. This nigga look like Dylan. Oh, Can I get a cigarette though, please? I don't take shit. You read that one. See that? What? I need a shake. Let's score. 71st. Let's score, Malo. 10, 11, 11 up. 11 up. Long Island City. Yeah, just thinking about that. You know, Nah, this is over. This is over. Hoover!
It's the mess. Mote fleet, tá bom. Puta, estoy pesado. I couldn't call you right away.
No, you're good.
We'll talk later.
Yeah.
Still fleets.
TC.
Now look, see what I mean? Now look what you got. I leave no repeating.
Fleets.
TC fleet.
TC fleet. Yeah. TC.
You know what the TC is?
Trash City, yeah. Trash City, nigga. That's exactly what it means, Trash City.
No, it's not.
Well, never mind you, it's Trash City, bro. It means Trash City.
TC.
Yo. Yes, it does, bro. It's the Bronx shit, bro. Yo, bad. Oh, you seen that?
Yo, he ran into the back.
Oh shit, we all coming alive at the same time? Come right back at you. He's dedicated right now.
Oh, Ricky. Face it flying.
He said hold. He said hold.
Oh shit, right there. Oh my god. Oh my god, get it. Oh my god.
One down.
Kendra ran past the ring. Oh man.
That's it.
Okay.
That's the setup.
Okay. Yeah, Rick teleporting. Teleporting here. What the fuck you on the corner shit? What is that? I came from any park that with ass. I was at 174. Yeah, with back career? No, she wet. She's trash. TC. That shit's trash shitty. Good, I came from go, right? I never used to say that, but I know all about all those lingos, bro. That's just started in the Bronx, bro. That's a 161 lingo. That's from 161. That's where he's from. 16 Duck. Brooklyn. From 16 Duck. We call it 16 Duck.
I am not from. No, don't do that. Don't jack that.
He's not from there no
Don't
more.
jack that, Mr. Beaumont.
Of course, man.
We appreciate him.
Local, puppy.
That's it, baby.
Nigga bed
I'm
look like
local,
Steve
pa.
Harvey's.
Only live 2
I mean,
boroughs
your
away.
mustache like
I'm
Steve
still
Harvey,
local.
nigga. Stop playing.
Only live 3 boroughs away when I'm local.
I got 2 cribs.
16 Duck, nigga. 16 Duck, nigga.
I won a lot of money there.
I'm trying to act like you
Took
don't know.
everybody's money there. That's a fact, and you know that was true. I was gambling like a motherfucker out there, like I was
Rap for
playing
Froggy.
dice.
For a little Froggy.
And that's where I won that tournament. Where I played games.
Yeah, most definitely.
I played with Mikey Mendoza.
Going back to
I played with him.
Oh yeah? How'd you do?
Played with him. We won a big game over there. Played on PlayStation and Johnson. Saved you, Chris.
I saw that.
Saved you. This guy. Good night. Oh, he should have went cross court. Yeah, the corner. See, that's why he's on that corner.
Yeah, but can you pull the hold on me?
Okay, they bet money. Mind my business.
Yo,
They bet money. I'm not my business. That's why.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it for gas station. No, to the right. So you can't say nothing. Even if it moves, right?
That's why. And things like that happen.
Yeah, the one with the venom.
Oh, yeah, he can't. I don't think he can be.
First of all, I've been, after Mario took that loss,
You're going back to
I've been
Walmart.
Facebooking Tristan.
Still looking at you?
Yeah, not everywhere. I'll only go for 2-3 Wednesdays. I'll go for 2.
I need someone to knock him out, bro. I don't want to pay for something that doesn't happen. No,
I come out of retirement.
I'm sure there's a Brown game over there.
Brown people. You can't say he's a top.
Bravo and Salim? They're training
I don't know.
for,
He
Hoover
was in Big B.
They're working on the chemistry. They've been doing good today.
2 weeks ago.
Only one guy playing singles right now.
No copies want to play Mario. No, none of them. I fucking pay for that. You fucking let me know. But you know what?
She was crazy. She remind me of grandshit.
But you have to
I gotta fucking bring you the product.
you gotta make him come here, and you gotta ban that issue. That's his protege, yeah. We can't be having that. Because then she left me on like.
I'll play you the rematch because I know you played it.
Mario actually has it right. I know, but it's still too. He said he'll love to play me in singles. I said, yeah, that works, my boy.
Yeah, I'm trying to go over there.
Nice.
Supposedly you got that guy Cisco that goes there.
Yeah, he goes there. He ain't playing me though. You don't got those. Because he lives around there. He goes in the weekends, huh? He did them in the week. Okay.
I think he's during the weekend too in the evening.
Mario and these guys don't play him?
No, after him.
Yo, Tio.
I'll find out.
Tio.
I want to know if he's playing.
Yo, Tio.
I think he will go because
If he is, I want to know who's winning those games. I'd like to know. Definitely. It's good information I want to know about.
No, I haven't.
I know he's played Q before. I played with you in this.
Yeah?
No, I told everybody I played with him.
You were the first team. Yeah. The first time they were supposed to do it. You were the first one.
Oh, wait. Did he serve or he stepped on the line?
You remember the first time nobody replied to you?
Anybody saw that?
It's just, look, I don't care who says it. It's you and me. We're going to leave them black and blue.
You got a little simple.
I'm still waiting for my right-handed, man.
I know.
Oh, my boy has it.
That's called the automatic short. 5.
That wasn't a big ball.
Hit the ball.
It would have died out.
Yo, Big Cisco still playing over there in Panama?
I don't see him there. I think he's doing Castle Hill.
Well, when he does do over there, because I think he lives in the area over there.
Yeah,
Has he played Mario yet?
I want to play with
he
somebody.
does. He did, and Mario got a win on him. Definitely, a couple of wins maybe. But
That's what I want to know. That's what I want to know.
yeah. Mario got like on Hayes. He's got a good
What
record.
about Jenny Q?
Jenny never beat. Oh,
He always used to do that too. Crazy too.
pretty good.
Yeah.
He is.
Cold shower. Cold shower.
6'5".
Yeah, I gotta go do stuff with the fan. Self, you already know. Let's go!
Don't say, bro.
Out for that, my boy.
Can't let it hurt.
Whoa.
Where the rest of the cups, man? Where the rest of the cups? Rest of the cups.
Ain't no cups, nigga. That shit to the head. I didn't even offering. Nah, you get a cup, I'll give you something. But I was killing that shit. Whoa, there's plenty. There's plenty here to go around. Come on. Yo, G. You guys want? You got any games on? Handful? All that much. Pass it around.
Yo, G, you got any games over there?
Yeah, I played 2 games over there.
Who you play?
I played with Theo Big, we played PlayStation and Johnson. Phil Johnson, right? Now the one that hangs out with Joshua Garcia and Eloy.
Oh yeah, I know that guy.
Chunky kid that we talked a lot on Facebook and shit.
I have an idea.
Then I played with Iggy. We played Iggy. We played
I like his game. 174.
Again, and muscle mark. That was it. Then everybody just started like, we did not play no more. They went on the other side, started another game on the other side. Said, this is bad.
I seen that unmarked card that dropped.
Take a shot, pass it the ropes.
We need to chase it.
Shit!
I got some new.
Over here.
I don't like God, I was listening to some new songs. Nothing. We have good beats though. I think that.
I don't know. What's it mean?
What was the score, Jeff?
13, 21?
Nice shot.
No hold.
Frank, ready?
No hold.
Not much of a. I like to sip. I don't like it. I'm not a bottle finisher. You know what I mean? Like to persist through the night. Last night we were out there till 4 by Ed's crib. Playing ping pong. Good at ping pong?
Yeah. I'm only patient while I'm like, you know what?
Got cookie, got crazy eyes. I told you, be careful with that masala curry.
I want some masala chicken.
Yeah, this dude Tuffle came up with a fucking big ass tray last night. And mad naan.
I had some from that shake.
That's not the real masala.
That shit is banging from this time. That shit is banging from there,
That's not the
bro.
real. Nah, you gotta go to the.
That shit is good, bro. That shit is good, bro. That shit was spicy as a motherfucker, bro. That shit was.
No, I'm not saying.
It wasn't real. It was good, close enough. That shit was very spicy, and the fries were spicy. Yeah, that shit was beyond curry, bro. They put me on gravy. That shit was crazy spicy.
Heads.
That shit was crazy spicy, bro. I was burping that shit for 2 days. It was really good,
Last
though.
night one, it wasn't spicy, but it was like not this spicy. There's no taste. I believe.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? There's no. If it isn't spicy, then there's no taste to it.
Same guy. Close out.
Good game. Good game. Come on, man. I want to see you laugh.
This is real battles. This is real battles here in Hoover. Real battles.
Gio.
Real $5 battles.
Let's record.
Which one? The red, right?